Hi guys, Dr. Zudian here again, and we are here with the Roundtable Red List Sick Table Talk, and we are about to hit number 9 of our rules to become successful. And I'm going to be honest, I am actually learning as I'm teaching, reiterating some of these rules that I have been told by mentors in the past. So I'm just relating the information. And so it is important that you actually proactively use these information to see how you can get to where you want to go, get to your goals. So number 9 is having people skills. Successful people have people skills, right? Success people have people skills. So in my line of work as a chiropractor, I noticed that successful offices seem to have great relationship between their doctors and the staff. And I also noticed that they have great intra-staff relationship. And so that is really important, whether it's in your office, whether at home, whether you're in the marketplace, it's important to have great people skills. So that's what you get, number 9.
At Jer Skolman, follow now.